Yeah, well, first I'll stand over here and then I'll go out in the field. Well, first do a high pass, but not a super high pass. Then do some low passes. That will be good. All right, that's going to be, yeah, do a nice low pass here. That was a little twitchy. That sucker's fast, man. All right, now come over me like higher. Oh, that's not good. No, over me. See, that's what I'm talking about down there. There's a vortex. Watch out, it'll shove your plane around that corner way quicker than you want. There you go. If you swing wide of it, there, so you could see it. Yeah.
I could feel it pushing it down.
Yeah, down and tightening the turn. Just be ready for it, and then don't come off the control, and bring it wide too. There you go. You can avoid it over here. Now we're talking. Okay, that might have been pretty good. It's really hard to see on your screen in the daylight though.
That's a floater, man.
Thank you, sir.